Today we'll be looking at Ofe Okwuru. Ofe Okwuru. Okay, Ofe, how would you translate it to English? It is simple. Ofe is soup. Soup. Okay, if this is a video you would like to watch, I urge you to subscribe, follow my page as we dive into it. It's simply called Okra Soup or Okra Soup. Okra Soup. Are you salivating already? Okra Soup. That is Ofe Okwuru. So now Okra Ove, Otara no Ove. We call it Ofe Okwuru. Okay, now let's look at some sentences or few sentences around Ofe Okwuru. That's na bekee na asụsụ bekee. Okay, like here, anyị na-esi ofe ọkwụrụ. Anyị na-esi ofe ọkwụrụ. So how would you translate it to English? It is simple. Or have you done it already? Okay, it is simple. It's very simple. We are cooking okra soup. Maybe someone asks you, what are you cooking? You can tell the person, I am cooking okra soup. So, anyị na-esi ofe ọkwụrụ. It simply means we are cooking okra soup. That is in English. Okay. The second one is, anyị na-eri ofe ọkwụrụ. Anyị na-eri ofe ọkwụrụ. So, translate it to English. What will it be? What will it be? Okay, it's simple. We are eating okra soup. Remember, soup is ofe. Ofe is soup. Ofe bụ n'Igbo. Soup bụ in English. So, anyị na-eri ofe ọkwụrụ. We are eating okra soup. That is the English translation. The last one here, anyị riri ofe ọkwụrụ n'abalị ụnyaahụ. Some na-akpọ ya n'anyasị ụnyaahụ or n'abalị ụnyaahụ. Okay, let's use one. Anyị riri ofe ọkwụrụ n'anyasị ụnyaahụ. So how would you translate this to English? It is simple. Or have you? Okay, anyị riri ofe ọkwụrụ n'anyasị ụnyaahụ. It is this. We ate okra soup last night. We ate okra soup last night. This is the simple translation. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. Please follow my page. Like, share, and comment. Even if you don't know what to say, like I always say, you can simply say, thank you, Mazi, or Mazi Ndewo, Mazi Jisike, Mazi Dalo. See you in my next video. MSL.